Hey Mark, you like war. Why don't you join the band? Hey Mark, you play a mean axe, man, but unfortunately you gotta die.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Good dog, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, coming to you from the Texas Hill Country. So today, folks, what I want to discuss with you is sticker trading. That's right. I got some IronCross Racing stickers here. Ba-bam, ba-bam. If you're a content creator, another YouTuber, another motovlogger, you want to trade up some stickers, look up my address in the About on my YouTube channel. And like I said, if you send me one of yours, or if you're just interested, go ahead and give me a holler. You can DM me on Instagram under IronCross Racing, and I'll go ahead and see if I can get one of these out to you. So right now they're not necessarily for sale. I'm not actually going to be selling them, but I will trade them. So like for like, sticker for sticker, and or if you want to send a poker chip, if you don't have stickers for your channel, or you don't have a channel at all, and you have a local Harley-Davidson dealership, feel free to shoot me a poker chip, and I'll go ahead and send you guys out a sticker. Again, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification as I release a new video every week. Thanks again, folks, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.
And today we're going to be talking about knives. How do people do this? The world is a vampire. The world through a camera.